What's up, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here with my buddy Nick from MBRP.
Hi, everyone.
And today Nick's going to give us a rundown on a couple quick tips for installing your MBRP exhaust and some things you might run into. So Nick, I'll let you run with it.
All right. Well, the good news is you've already made the right decision and ordered an MBRP exhaust. You're underneath your truck and you're wondering, how can I make this go easily? So the first thing you want to do is make sure all your pieces are round. Exhaust kits fit together, and they don't fit together when you have a little piece of shipping damage like this. Somewhere along the way to your house, UPS dropped this off a 4-foot cliff, and that dent is in there. It's not going to fit together. It's going to make you frustrated. So take your custom exhaust straightener tool found in your Harbor Freight tool set. Simply slide it over the affected, damaged area. Apply pressure. And there you go, nice and round, fits together perfect, and your install is off to the races.
Just that simple.
Another fun fact, it's best to slide everything together and hand tight loose from the front to the back after everything is in position. And finally, your exhaust kit gets hot. As it gets hot, metal swells and retracts. So you're gonna wanna go back through with a set of wrenches and put a finish tightening on everything the next day. So that way you're not driving down and you have things get loose and rattle.
Yeah, after that first test drive, kind of make sure that you get it locked in.
Yep, so that's it. Start by making sure everything's round and straight so it fits together nicely. Tighten front to back and make sure to put a finish tight on the next day.
Well, there you have it. Pretty simple. Couple quick things to look out for when you're installing your MBRP exhaust, and we'll see you guys next time.